Are you struggling to record your gameplay on Windows 10? Don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of gamers face this challenge, but today we're going to solve it together using the Xbox Game Bar. If you want to share your best moments, tutorials, or even just record your fun gaming sessions, this video is for you. So first, let's start by opening the Xbox Game Bar. So simply press the Windows key and the G key at the same time, and the Game Bar will pop up, okay? You're going to see a few buttons. Click the one that looks like a circle to start recording. Next, let's talk about turning on your microphone. So if you want to talk while you record, you're going to need to click the microphone button on the Game Bar. This will allow you to record your voice while playing. All right? Now, the third thing, make sure that your settings are just right. So click on the settings icon in the Xbox Game Bar, and then basically go to capturing and adjust your recording quality. The higher the quality, the better your video is going to look. The fourth thing now, let's pause and resume recording. So if you need to take a break or start again, just press the stop button and hit it again to resume. And finally, once you're done, your video will be saved, okay? It'll be saved automatically. So you can find it by going to videos and then captures, and yeah, there it'll be. Now that you know how to use the Xbox Game Bar, it's time to start recording your own awesome videos. Comment, like, subscribe. Ciao.